Well, hello YouTube. It is Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another great video today. Today I'm outside enjoying this spring-like early evening, and I figured since it was kind of nice outside and I got a little bit of a reprieve from the cold weather that I would go on and do some car care maintenance today. And with that in mind, I said, okay, I had thought about it on my car for a little bit, but most of the winter I had noticed that, my miles per gallon were going down on the car. I checked the oil, I had the spark plugs checked, I checked the air pressure in the tires, checked the cleanliness of the oil, because sometimes those things all kind of add to reduced fuel economy. And I said, well, the winter you typically get worse fuel economy in the car, but I was like, well, what else could possibly be causing it? So I said, okay, let's take a look at the old Avalon here and see what we need to do. So I said, okay, let's open her up and figure this all out. So checked all the fluids were fine, fluids were good. Checked all the washer solvent, and then I checked the coolant and everything else. That was all good. So I said, okay, check the engine oil, that was good. Checked just the fluids just to make sure. Went down here, checked the front, and then I ran back here and I checked the rear brakes, and everything looks okay, I guess. Nothing terrible looking back there. So I said, okay, let's come back up to the front of the car. Tire pressure was good, like I said. So I said, okay, what's the thing that I might need to check next? The all-important air box. I actually hadn't checked my filter since I put it in when I bought the car. That was in 2019, and it's now 4 years later. So about 35 to 40,000 miles on the filter, and you'll see what it looks like. This is a K&N 1 million mile lifetime warranty filter. Right now I don't have the time or the energy to recharge this filter, so you'll see what it looks like. So I took the two clips off. One here, you raise up the clips with your finger, and then they just easily pull back, and if you pull them up they clip back in place, so you just pull up and remove. So we'll do that with both of them, which we have. I didn't unplug any of the sensors because I can get this all up and off fairly easily on the car. So there is the air filter in this case. Okay, you will look at it and say, okay, I don't see anything dirty about it. Okay, that's not where it's dirty at. I will take this and pull this out, and you will see. Look at that, guys. No wonder the fuel economy on the car dropped. Last winter, same oil, same air pressure I was running in the tires, everything pretty much the same. I make sure I check everything because we try to maximize the mileage out of the cars, because gas has gotten kind of expensive where I live. I live in the suburbs of Chicago. It's right now about $3.80 a gallon, maybe about $3.50 if you go to Costco. But yeah, this might explain why the filter is all nasty, and it might explain why the fuel economy is so bad, because the filter is all nasty, grody, and contaminated. So right now I don't have time to clean this one. So what I did is I picked up just another quick replacement filter. This is Fram Ultra Air, part number 10677. Picked this up at my local Walmart store because I called Toyota. $35 for an air filter from Toyota. Geez Luigi. If you buy an air filter from Toyota out of desperation, okay. But if you're an idiot who pays the dealer price on an air filter for $35, like, come on. So anyways, 13-14 bucks over at my local Walmart store. So now we're just gonna take it out of the box, make sure that it looks the same. Seems to look the same, I think. Seems to look the same, maybe. I'm hoping that it fits. Let's see. If it doesn't fit, then I'm just gonna plop the K&N back in here. So I'm gonna set my stand up here so people can see what everybody can see what I'm doing here, folks. So let's see. Let's make this magic happen. All right, so they look about the same size. Ooh, but the panel's a little wide. The panel's a little wider on the filter. You can see that. Sorry, I didn't have position, so that may or may not work. I'm not sure, so we'll see. So, oops. We'll see. So, gonna take the Fram. Before you slam it, Fram it. So I'm gonna take that, put it in the air box, and okay. Went in there real nice and easy. All you have to do is just take it, slide it in, and put the box on it, and then you secure these two pins over here, and then you press down. Make sure it's very secure. And I'm just trying to get it up and over because this is a brand new filter. So let's make sure we can get it all the way down there. All right, let's try to get this clip over here first. Which one is gonna go first, guys? Let's see. Boy, this really doesn't want to go on there. All right, boom, nice tight clip. You heard it click and pop on there. This other one, okay, we got it on there. So let's see if that makes a difference when I run the car. Right now, the car was sitting at 35.3 miles per gallon that I was averaging, and typically what's on the sticker from the dealer says that I should be getting anywhere between 39 and 40. So that's a far cry from what I'm supposed to be getting. Last winter I was getting around 37, so a significant drop. Anyways, if you like this, please follow all the rest of the videos and things like that on my channel to see more. Alright guys, that was a quick air filter change on my 2014 Toyota Avalon Hybrid Limited. Talk to you later, YouTube. This has been Outdoor Guy 365 with another great video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.